और एक बड़ा मूल प्रश्न ये है, nobody raises this, who asked for partition? There was no public demand, there was no yearning in any section of society. It was just the ambition of two individuals, Nehru and Jinnah, because you couldn't have two prime ministers in a single country, so they carved out one each for each one of them. And the British Empire made the best use of this ambition of theirs to divide. In fact, Mountbatten initially had another plan, to divide it into three parts: Hindustan, Pakistan, or Princesstan. Thankfully, thanks to Sardar Patel, he didn't let that happen. But जो बुनियादी सवाल जो कहीं नहीं बोला जाता वो ये है कि in fact, while the so-called political protagonists of Pakistan were demanding an Islamic state or Islamic nation on the basis of two-nation theory, the common man, even in the Muslim community, was opposed to it. There was a forum of the Muslim intellectuals and Muslim writers called the Progressive Writers Forum, जिसमें साहिर भी थे, जिसमें कैफी भी थे, मोहसिन भोपाली भी थे. They had actually very vehemently opposed the idea of partition. So much so that, and in fact, even when this happened, they were so disgusted that they had no hesitation in writing about it. फैज़ अहमद फैज़ वहाँ चले गए, तो वहीं थे लाहौर में. तो वहाँ से उन्होंने लिखा कि ये दाग दाग उजाला, ये शब गुज़ीदा शहर, वो इंतज़ार था जिसको ये वो शहर नहीं. When he saw the riots happening. And Sahir went to Pakistan actually, but he stayed there for about 2 years. I think somewhere towards the end of 1949, he came back, very disgusted. And he wrote immediately, "Ke रहबरे मुल्क बता, ये किसका लहू ये कौन मरा?" And then later on, a few years later, he went on to write another beautiful poem, which of course Raj Kapoor incorporated in one of his movies. जब दुख के बादल पिघलेंगे, जब सुख का सागर छलकेगा, जब अंबर झूम कर नाचेगा, जब धरती नगमे गाएगी. जिस सुबह की खातिर मर मर के हम युग युग से जीते हैं, जिस सुबह के अमृत की धुन में हम जहर के प्याले पीते हैं, इन भूखी प्यासी रूहों को एक दिन तो कर्म फरमाएगी.